Hello everyone, my name is Neo and today we're going to make a vanilla cake that serves free. For this we will need 21 grams of plain flour, 62 grams of self-raising flour, an egg, 62 grams of caster sugar, 25 grams of yogurt, 62 grams of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 teaspoons of milk. First, we need to put all the dry ingredients into the sieve and mix them and thoroughly mix them and put them into the bowl. Let's begin. You also have to heat the oven to 140 degrees Celsius. So now I'm gonna put the egg into the bowl and then so now you have to put all the ingredients, the butter, the yogurt, the vanilla extract, and the milk into the bowl. Let's start. Yogurt.
हे करो.
So now I'm adding the vanilla extract. But if you want the cake to be a bit more flavory with vanilla, you can add a little bit more. Like I'm adding half a teaspoon more. Now I'm going to put the milk into the bowl. Remember, 2 teaspoons of it. So now you have to mix all the ingredients together until it's a light, soft mix. Let's do this. So now that it's a light, soft mix, we have to put it in a butter-lined cake tin and put it in the oven for 30 minutes. Let's start. So now you've filled the tin, you need to put it in the oven for approximately 30 minutes. Let's do this. until you poke a fork in it and it comes out clean. Here's the cake after it's done. It took about 45 minutes. Now, let's take it out of the oven and see whether it has been a success. So now here's the cake. Let's cut it. Look how soft and spongy it is. Would you like a slice? Oh, look, it's so soft and spongy. Let's eat it. Wow, so tender and delicious.